Namaste children, welcome to today's class. So we were discussing about the algebra. In the algebra chapter we discussed about variables, constants and how to write use variables in the like different branches of mathematics like arithmetic and geometry, and even in the real life there is real life situations, practical life situations. And today we are going to discuss about expressions with variables. Expressions with variables. Before introducing this topic, expressions with variables, we will study about arithmetic expressions or expressions with numbers only. Expressions with numbers only. So we have how these arithmetic expressions are formed. That is the combination of numbers. Combination of numbers with arithmetic operations. With arithmetic operations. Such kind of expressions are known as expressions with numbers or arithmetic expressions. For example, 7 plus 2. Here 7 and 2 both are numbers and they are added. That is plus sign is there. 7 plus 2 minus 3. Here we have 3 numbers are there and 2 arithmetic operations are there. Addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction. 7 plus 2 minus 3 into 4. So here 4 numbers with 3 different arithmetic operations are there. 7 plus 2 minus 3 into 4. Here we have only the numbers are there and the arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction and multiplication are there. So this kind of expressions are known as arithmetic expressions or number expressions, and these expressions can be easily evaluated, can easily simplified. So we have studied in the lower classes. For example, so how do we simplify this? How do we simplify this expression? How do we? So we use BODMAS rule. We use BODMAS rule. So what BODMAS rule? It says that. So we should simplify inside the brackets if it is present. Then O stands for off factor, off, into. Then D stands for division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So here we have multiplication is there. So first you multiply minus 3 and 4. Minus 3 and 4. Then we will write 7 plus 2 as it is. Minus 2 plus minus 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12. So now 7 plus 2 minus 12. So first we will do the addition, then we will go for the subtraction. 7 and 2 are added. 7 plus 2 it is 9 minus 12. Now 12 is subtracted from 9. So what we get? 9 minus 12. So subtract 9 from 12, we get 3. And 12 is having the minus sign, which is the greater number. Therefore we get minus 3. Like this we will simplify, we will find, we will evaluate the number expressions or arithmetic expressions. The expressions which contains only the numbers and arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, even the division also we will find. So this kind of expressions are known as what? They are known as the number expressions or arithmetic expressions. Similarly, we know we have studied about the variables. So what are variables? They are also numbers, but they don't have the fixed value. They don't have the fixed value. Even we also can express the variables using the arithmetic operations. We can express the variables using arithmetic operations. So such operations are known as what? Algebraic expressions. We will call them as algebraic expressions. Now expressions with variables. See here. A plus 2 means 2 is added to. 2 is added to. 2 is added to A. A plus 2 means 2 is added to A. Here A is a variable. 2 is a number. And here we have the arithmetic operation, it is addition. Addition is the arithmetic operation. Similarly, A minus 2. A minus 2 means 2 is subtracted from A. 2 is subtracted from A. 2 is is subtracted from A. 2 is subtracted from A. So here A is arithmetic operation and 2 is what it is, a number, arithmetic number, it is a number. And here what is the arithmetic operation we have here, it is minus sign is there, that is subtraction. A is a variable. Next you take 2A means 2 into A. 2 into A. 2A means is 2 into A. Therefore A is multiplied by 2. A is multiplied by 2. A is multiplied by 2. Therefore, which arithmetic operation is there? Multiplication. So here when you take A by 2 means A divided by 2. A is divided by 2. A is divided by 2. A is divided by 2. So here A is a variable and 2 is a number. We are using the arithmetic operation is division. Now we take it is 2m plus 11. 2m plus 11. So what? 11 is added to the product of 2 and m. 11 is added to the product of 2 and m. Product of 2m it is 2m. Product of 2 and m it is 2m. And 11 is added to, here what I can write is 11 is added to the product of 2 and m. 2 and m. The product of 2 and m. We are adding 11 to the product of 2 and m. So not only this, we can write like this: x plus y plus 2, x minus y divided by 3. All these are what? Expressions with variables, and this the numbers also we have the constants are there. So using the what it is the arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So like this we can express the statements to the expressions. For example, so if I gave you x and 3, if I gave you, how many expressions you can express? How many expressions you can write by using x and 3? X plus 3 is 1 using the addition. X minus 3 is one expression using the subtraction. X into 3, that is 3x, it is one expression. Similarly, x by 3 is one expression. X by 3 is one expression using only once. Each x we are using once, only one time. 3 are using only one time. So these are the expressions with variables and these are the expressions with numbers. So what is the difference between these two expressions? Yes, here we can evaluate the number expressions, whereas the algebraic expression, that is expressions with their variables, we can evaluate unless and until if we know the value of the variable. Unless and until if we know the value of the variable, then we can evaluate. For example, here it is a plus 2 is there. This we can evaluate when we know a is equals to 2 or a is equals to 3, a is equals to 4, some value of a. If a is equals to 2, we will substitute in the place of a as 2. 2 plus 2 it is 4. So we can evaluate. When we can evaluate these expressions with variables, when we know the value of variable. When we know the value of the variable, we can evaluate, whereas number expressions we can evaluate easily. Is it clear, children? So now we studied here how to express the statements using the variables, how to write the statements in the form of expressions using the variables. With this knowledge, we will study exercise number 11.3. Yes, now we will discuss 11.3 exercise, question number 3. Identify the following. Identify the operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division in forming the following expressions, and tell how the expressions have been formed. So here we should identify the arithmetic operations which arithmetic operation is there in the given in forming the given expressions like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and also tell how the expressions have been formed, how they are formed by adding or by subtracting or by multiplying or by division or both. Sometimes you may find more than one arithmetic operation also. We have to tell and we have to identify the arithmetic operation. So the first question here it is A which we have z plus 1. So z plus 1 means 1 is added to z. How can you say? How can you tell it? Z plus 1 means 1 is added to z. So which arithmetic operation is there? Plus means it is addition. So 1 is added to z. Therefore, which arithmetic operation is there? Here it is addition. Which one is there? Here it is addition. Then the second one is that z minus 1 means 1 is subtracted from z. So 1 is subtracted from z. So what is the arithmetic operation? Here it is subtraction. Here the arithmetic operation is subtraction. This is a bit. Now we have y plus 17. What does it mean? 17 is added to y. 17 is added to y. 17 is added to y. Added to y means which one is the arithmetic operation? It is addition. Arithmetic operation. Then we have y minus 17. So what it is? What does it mean? 17 is subtracted from y. 17 is subtracted from y. So which arithmetic operation is there? Subtraction. Which one is there? Here it is subtraction. Now C bit we have. In C bit the first one is 2y plus 17. 2y plus 17. So what does it mean? 17 is added to the product of 2 and y. 2y means it is 2 into y. So here we have multiplication and here we have the addition. So two operations are there here. Two arithmetic operations are there. One it is multiplication, the other one it is addition. Now how do you say right? How do you write this? 17 is added to the product of what? The product of 2 and y. The product of 2 and y. So product means the result which we get by multiplication. And added means addition. So what arithmetic operations are there? Here we have multiplication and also addition. Multiplication and addition. So two arithmetic operations are there in this expression. Next we have the second one is there, that is 2y minus 17. So how do we read? 17 is subtracted from the product of 2 and y. 17 is subtracted from the result. What we call the result? Product of what? 2 and y. That is 17 is subtracted. 17 is subtracted from the product of 2 and y. 2 and y. Now what are the arithmetic operations which we found? Here this is addition. Product means addition and subtraction. That is multiplication, not addition. Product means it is multiplication and the subtraction. Multiplication and addition. Multiplication and subtraction. Multiplication and subtraction. So we found the arithmetic operations in 2y minus 17 as multiplication and subtraction. Like this we can write and we can identify the arithmetic operations in the given following operations. Is it clear, children? Yes. Now the fourth question. Give expressions for the following cases. So it is given in the statement form. We should give expressions for them. Express them using the symbolic form. Right. The first one. 7 added to P. 7 is added to P. So here what are the numbers we have? 7 is one number. P is also a number, but it is a variable. 7 is added to P, that is P plus 7. Added means addition, plus sign. The C bit, here we have P multiplied by 7. P is multiplied by 7, that is P into 7, that is 7P. P into 7, that is 7P. Then E bit we have 7 subtracted from minus m. 7 is subtracted from minus m, that is minus m. From this 7 is subtracted. Minus m minus 7. How do we read? 7 is subtracted from minus m. From minus m. Now the G bit here we have minus p divided by 5. Minus p divided by 5, that is minus p divided by 5. 5 is dividing minus p. So like this we will express the following cases in the form of expressions using arithmetic operations as well as variables and constants. Is it clear, children? Yes. Now we'll move to the question number 5. Give expressions in the following cases. Give expressions in the following cases. A bit. 11 is added to 2m. 11 is added to 2m. 11 is added to 2m. That is 2m plus 11. 2m plus 11. Next, the C bit here we have 5 times y. 5 times y means 5 into y, that is 5 is multiplied by y. 5 times y, to which 3 is added. So first you express 5 times y. 5 times y means it is 5 into y. To this what is added? 3 is added. 3 is added. 5 into y is 5y plus 3. 5y plus 3, that is 5 times of y, it is 5y. To that 3 is added, therefore it is 5y plus 3. Then E bit here we have y is multiplied by minus 8. Y is multiplied means into symbol by what? Minus 8. That is plus into minus. Y means is 1 by 1 into 8, it is 8y. Minus 8y. Minus 8y. Then the G bit here we have the G bit. Y is multiplied by 5 and the result is subtracted from 16. So first we have two cases are there. Y is multiplied by 5. So what we get when y is multiplied by 5? It is 5y. And that is subtracted, that result is subtracted from 16. From 16 is, from 16 it is subtracted. What is subtracted? Y is multiplied by 5. That is y into 5, which is equals to 16. Y into 5 is 5y. 16 minus 5y. 16 minus 5y. So like this we will write the expressions for the given statements using the arithmetic operations and variables and constants. Yes. Now the sixth bit from 11.3 exercise. Form expressions using T and 4. What should we use? T and 4. Only two things, one variable and one constant. Use not more than one number operation. One number operation means arithmetic operation. We should use not more than one arithmetic operation. Means only one arithmetic operation we should use. It may be addition or subtraction or multiplication or it is division. Every expression must have T in it. Every expression should have T in it and use only one arithmetic operation. Yes, both are may be added, both are may be divided, both are may be multiplied, both are may be subtracted. So here when we add both, what we get? The first expression T plus 4. T plus 4. When we subtract 4 from T, T minus 4. T minus 4. Then when we multiply T into 4, that is 4T we get. 4 into T or T into 4. Then subtract, it is T by 4. T by 4 means T divided by 4 division. 4 into T or T into 4, it is multiplication. T minus 4 subtraction. T plus 4, it is again what it is? Addition. So similarly, T is added to 4. 4 plus T. We can take one more case. 4 plus T. T is subtracted from 4. 4 minus T. 4 minus T. 4 is multiplied T. We get again what is 4T. Then 4 is multiplied by T. So you can use either 4 is multiplied by T or T is multiplied by 4. So like this we can write these expressions using T and 4 and using only one arithmetic operation. So now we have the bit. Form expressions using y, 2 and 7. So here one variable and two constants there, only one variable and one constant. Every expression must have y in it. Y should be there for every expression. In every expression, use only two number operations. Use any two arithmetic operations like addition and multiplication, addition and subtraction, addition and division, and multiplication and subtraction, multiplication and division. Like this, use any two arithmetic operations. These should be different. So we will get n number of observations. We will write some here. It is y plus 2 minus 7. Y plus 2 minus 7. Two different arithmetic operations we have to use. Plus and minus. Addition and subtraction. Now 2y plus 7. 2y means is 2 into y. Multiplication plus 7. It is addition is there. 2y minus 7. 2y divided by 7. 2y divided by 7. 2y divided by 7. Not only like this, we can write n number of options like this. Y plus 7 minus 2. Y plus 7 into 2. Y plus 7 divided by 2. Divided by 2. Or 2y minus 7. 2y minus 7, or it is already repeated 2y minus 7. Y divided by 2 minus 7. Y divided by 2 minus 7. Like this we can write n number of operations. Not only this, many we can write. I think you understand how to write these arithmetic operations using any two arithmetic operations and expressions here. So is it clear, children, how to write the expressions using the variables, constants and the arithmetic operations, that is number operations. I hope you understand today's concept, and your homework is homework part exercise number 11.3, question number 1 and 2, question number 3, question number 4, question number 5. We have discussed from question number 3, 4 and 5 few questions. The leftover bits also from question number 3, 4 and 5 is your homework. Complete the given homework in the notebook. Thank you once again.